Are you playing your cards right? To build a solid career plan and find the job of your dreams, you will need to be part of the job market. According to the information published by the Office for National Statistics, in early 2018, there were 1.4 million unemployed people in the United Kingdom. Today, mainly due to the rise of the digital economy, jobs are changing rapidly. Most digital jobs were non-existent 10 years ago, but they're now a significant source of employment in a fast-growing sector. Digital technology is revolutionizing working methods. Many professions have been transformed within the last few years by task automation. We're also on the cusp of data and artificial intelligence breakthroughs. Let's also consider that young talents can be difficult to attract. Large companies no longer hold the appeal they once did. Talented young people are more demanding about the quality of their working environment, management styles, flexible operating methods, and work-life balance. Permanent contracts have become the holy grail of emerging digital companies, as many job offers are somewhat less well paid and offer less stability. Nevertheless, they remain attractive because of the work experience they offer. Several alternatives may appeal to well-trained young talents: creating a startup, often joining a co-working space or business incubator, launching a small business to work collaboratively yet independently, having portfolio careers, that is to say, working several part-time jobs. Faced with hesitant or hyper-competitive companies that are often too demanding, digital natives prefer to start their own business, surf the web, and invent concepts. The increase in employment contracts is proportional to escalating job security and a decline in employers' willingness to commit long-term. The job market is constantly changing, becoming more and more dynamic and globalized. You will need to be alert, identify emerging sectors, and study the trends, job offers, and salaries of the market sector that interests you. Job supply and demand may differ from one region, profession, or sector to the next, and may be difficult to navigate. It's up to you to make choices that fit your personal ambitions. You will have to make decisions, set interim goals to gain experience, and develop skills that will lead you on your way to a career.